Hello guys, my name is Deepak Sharma and my topic is based on the Gurukul system. Before I am going to start my topic, I am thanks to the Next Level team for including this topic in this current event. So let's start. So we will discuss Gurukul system under the four aspects. First is what is Gurukul system, second is its origin, third is the present need, and the fourth one is its conclusion. Now look at the picture of that time. Gurukul system was a residential schooling system anchored by a guru and based on Vedic principles. It is a place where students were taught various subjects and also they learn how to live a cultured and disciplined life. It was a center of learning where pupils decided till their education got complete. Gurukul was actually the home of a teacher. Now, the origin of Gurukul system. Its origin dates back to around 5000 BC in the Indian subcontinent and it was more prevalent during the Vedic age. The need of Gurukul system in present time. The main focus of Gurukuls was on imparting learning to the students in natural surroundings where the Shishs live with each other with brotherhood, humanity, love and discipline. In that time, they does activities such as yoga, meditation which gives positivity, peace of mind and made them fit. After 1835, with the came of Lord Macaulay, he would change the concept of Gurukul and he brought a new education system which is nothing just a rat race. So look at the photograph. It looks so great. Now, in the present generation, there is a huge absence of personality and culture, also the abundance of moral values. So the last step is conclusion. We have to revive the Gurukul system because it focuses on applied knowledge that prepared students in all fields of life. This ideology should be taught to the kids from a young age so that they make informed decisions about work, food, passion and the way they wish to live their life. And they grasp extra tremendous skills from Gurukul. So from an article of The Hindu of February month, the General Secretary of RSS Mr. Suresh Joshi also say that Gurukul system of education should be revived and Sanskrit made part of school curriculum. So the topic is over, but the most important thing is that we are facing such a serious problem, that is COVID-19. So please cooperate the government, stay at home, stay safe and don't bother anybody by spreading the fake news of COVID-19 or related topics. Thank you.